Hello all, Tony here from Carton Cloud with another one of Tony's tips. When we are working in cold environments, either in freezers or in chillers, what happens is the cold storage is the enemy of the battery on our mobile devices. Now, years ago when I was working in a freezer, we used to have these huge devices which had massive batteries on the back, and they were sort of wrapped in an industrial cover, and we did anything to try and keep them away from the cold. So just a little tip is, if you have a mobile device and you've got it in the warehouse or in the freezer or in the chiller, what we try and do is we just sort of try and make sure that we don't give them the opportunity to get too cold. So simple little things like when you're scanning or when you're using your device, once you're finished with it, if you can slip it into a pocket, don't put it on a frozen pallet and set it on the top, or don't put it on the side of your forklift where it's all freezing cold, because your battery life will get really, really low. So anywhere we can. Now, another little trick is, some of these military style cases are a real benefit, because some of them have got like padding on the inside. So when you put your device in there, it keeps it slightly warmer than what it would if you didn't have a cover. And the same as some of the industrial sleds, or some of the sleds we have where you can slide the mobile phone inside the sled, and then there's other ones which are Android, and they're actually built for freezers, and you'll actually get them and they'll have interchangeable batteries and bits and pieces on the back. But a really simple thing is just to let your warehouse staff know that if they're going to put a device down, don't put it down on something cold, don't put it down on the side of the forklift, slip it in a jacket pocket or slip it in the back pocket or whatever you can sort of do to try and keep it warm, and then your battery life will last a lot longer. Anyway, just another one of Tony's tips. Cheers.